I'm First Alert meteorologist Kimberly Gomez with your 25 News First Alert forecast. It's been a beautiful, warm Mother's Day, and that's going to continue to be the case for this evening. However, we will have to bring our umbrellas out for tomorrow as a slow-moving area of low pressure is expected to bring some rainy conditions for the beginning of your work week. Now, temperatures drop back into the mid-70s. We have a lot more drier conditions on Wednesday, and then rain returns once again on Thursday. Notice for the rest of your 10-day forecast, it's definitely going to be a wet week ahead. We will be warming up back into the 80s on Saturday with sunny skies expected. Now don't forget to get the latest forecast on 25 News and on the 25 News First Alert weather app.